What is vector psychology and what is vectors? I got a lot of those questions recently. Vectors, we use this term in vector psychology to name every vector which stays for orifices of your body, part of your body that's responsible for your character and your personality. And for example, ear, audio vector, it's where your energy goes in and goes out. You can say exchange of your energy. And by knowing what vector is your personality, because personality, it's not vector. It consists of several vectors, usually 2 or 3, because every one of us, we have all 8 vectors, but one is dominant and comes secondary. Sometimes it's a third one. Usually it's 2 main ones. By knowing both of these vectors, then you can tell the personality of the person character. For example, dermal visual and there is anal visual, and they both visual, but they completely different ones from each other. One, for example, is women are non-productive and they cannot have kids, and other ones are mothers of the tribe. One is logical, and other one is analytical. One, she has maternal instinct, another one she doesn't. So completely 2 opposite personalities, and they both visual. So vector is just one of the parts of your personality, consists of several of them. And by knowing all of them, then you can tell the personality and character of the person. 7 of the vector, they do have orifices, which like skin, dermal vector, or pores, audio, visual, they all have this, and one of them they don't, it doesn't, it's muscular vector, muscles. There is no really orifices, but when I'm gonna discuss this vector, I'm gonna explain exactly why and what's this vector is all about. But again, one vector, it's not personality. It's one of the characteristics, you need to know both of them. And then you can, once you know all the vectors, and you can spot dominant and secondary vector in a person, then you can tell the character, then you can tell what to expect from this person, then you know who you're dealing with. Now also, vector sometimes can be realized and fulfilled, and sometimes it's not. So 2 people with the same vector doesn't mean they have the same characters. One of them can be sadistic and hit people with intention, no intention, and be very dangerous for society, and another one can be the best teacher or the best doctor, love kids, enjoy its family. So it also depends on how realized the vector is also. And